Hello everyone, I am Rashmi, and as you must be knowing that this is gonna be the fourth week of this channel, and as I have promised that fourth week will be dedicated to English. So today is English week, first day, and let's begin. So today I'm gonna teach you few sad words, okay, that you can use. Instead of saying like I am sad or he was sad, whatever like that, you can use these words. Okay, so let's begin. Number one, dejected. Dejected is an adjective which means feeling unhappiness or disappointment, especially after a failure or a loss. For example, she felt dejected as even after trying very hard for the match, she lost it. Number two, despondent. Despondent is an adjective. It means in low spirits or loss, lack of hopes, courage, etc., and expecting no improvement. For example, after facing failure again and again in her life, she felt despondent. Number three, doleful. Doleful is an adjective. Doleful means expressing sorrow, sadness, or unhappiness. For example, she wore a doleful expression on her face when she told me about the theft in her apartment. Okay, number four, melancholy. Melancholy Melancholy is a noun and can be used as an adjective in sentences, both noun and adjective. Okay, so melancholy means a sadness or a disappointment which lasts for a very long period of time. For example, the melancholy melody perfectly suited the plot of my novel. Okay. Number five, woeful. Woeful is an adjective and this word has two meanings. Okay, so woeful first meaning is full of expressing sorrow, grief, misery. For this one example is she wore a woeful expression on her face at the funeral. Now second meaning of woeful is to be very bad or poor in quality. So, for example, his attempt to make an apple pie was woeful. Okay, so moving on to the next part. So, number six, forlorn. Forlorn is an adjective which means feeling pitifully sad, lonely, abandoned, or depressed. For example, the forlorn dog had tears in his eyes as he knew that now his masters would never return for him. Number seven, crestfallen. Crestfallen is an adjective which means feeling very deep disappointment or sadness, especially after a setback or a sudden failure, sudden or unexpected setback. For example, when I returned from the hall, I had I had a crestfallen expression on my face as I got rejected for no reason. Number eight, down in the dumps. Down in the dumps is an adjectival phrase, or it can be used as a verb in sentences. Okay, so down in the dumps means to feel disappointed, depressed, or very sad, unhappy. For example, she fell down in the dumps after her sister betrayed her. Okay. Number nine, agonizing. Agonizing is an adjective, but if you have to use it in sentence as a verb, so the word is agonize. Okay, so it means to cause or causing or involving great mental or physical pain, sufferings or worry. Okay, for example, she was agonizing over her lost novel. Number 10, last but not the least, lamentable. Lamentable is an adjective which means very unfortunate or very disappointing, and up to an extent which deserves a regret or criticism. For example, tell me how not to lament over the loss of my friend. Okay, so these are the words for today. Okay, stay tuned for more words like this. Bye bye.